In this class, you'll be learning how to design a letterhead. When it comes to designing, most times with corporate materials, you should learn how to go with minimal designs. The little you do when it comes to designing corporate materials, the better. So let's get straight to work. I'll be using an A4 page layout to design my letterhead logo we used for our business card. So it's either you place your logo at the center, or to the right, or to the left, your logo and your business name. But in this case, I'll bring it to my left. The next thing that is coming is the business address and the contacts. So what's anything else you'll be doing here is just a formality. I can decide to do something as simple as this and use it as a letterhead, but let's go more detailed. I have three colors in this design: your lemon, your orange, and your navy blue. Like I said, any other thing you'll be doing here is just a formality, because the only information that has to be on this business letterhead is just the business name, the logo, and the address and contact information. So I can decide to do something like this. Centralize it. Or better still, give it a left alignment. Then maybe your business is registered. You can bring the number here. The number there. Don't worry, I'm only experimenting with things. So in all of it, what you have is this, as simple as possible. You might decide to use something else, let's say circles. create your border design. No matter what it is you are doing, they are just formalities. So if you're doing something like this, they're just formalities to give us a beautiful view of the letterhead. Simple. You can see simple, plain. Some people might decide to make the logo transparent at the center of the letterhead. All that is good. All that is good. I don't really encourage this most times, but it's cool. Some people do it, but I don't. So this my letterhead, simple and cool. The next thing I'll do is I'm going to export after saving. Alright, so that was how simple it is for you to design a letterhead, going with the minimal approach so that you don't break your head and break your back. Because when it comes to creativity, the less you do, the more and the better. Mostly when it comes to corporate branding materials.